Hey, how's it going? It is 1 minute from 8:30 morning. So I'm just gonna do a quick rundown what I'm expecting for today. To make it brief, it's gonna be I'm looking for this candle to expand upwards, tackling this high. The reason why I'm looking at that is because yesterday's bullish green candle is just so big that's like, okay, this candle is likely to reach up higher and likely to tackle this high into this order block here. Another thing is these lows were taken. Here's a fair value gap. Lows taken. Double top. When I say double top, it means I'm looking at price eventually attacking that two areas, which it did yesterday. So it's likely going to continue upwards. So that's more confirmation for me that's going to go up. Here's a bullish order block. You can put it in multiple spots, but usually it's just this move that dug into these lows into the fair value gap, and then big and bulky that created the up move at this black candle right here. Drag it across, tap into it once, twice, 3 times, and up it went. So the narrative of the higher time frame is bullish because dug into the lows, created new highs. My structure of daily is bullish. High, low, so likely to make new highs. And my bias is where the draw on liquidity is. Where is it likely to head? Up here. Where is it likely to expand? Up. And so that's on a daily time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, here's a low taken, here's a new high taken. I'm looking for it to continue expanding up. Let's look at the news, 9 o'clock news. When I see news in 30 minutes, I try to wait. High impact news, I try to wait until price has made its move. But sometimes there could be an opportunity before, if there is a setup. But just be careful before the news, because it's gonna introduce volatility and it can knock you out. But this wick down, new up, this is a clear liquidity grab. And so there's gonna be an opportunity to go along somewhere, somehow. I just don't wanna rush in too early, get myself caught in volatility, knocks me out and then goes up. That's happened many times. So I'm gonna wait until a clear, obvious setup. Here's a lot of lows being taken by this low, then a reaction bounce up. Didn't take out new highs just yet. I'm gonna wait. Euro dollar moving up high. I'm looking for it to be also bullish. EXY. This is a good one. You can see that today, if not the next day, very likely today, is gonna attack these lows. That gives me confidence that EU would advance higher. So I'm looking for an entry on a lower time frame. Here's a bullish order block right here. Down moves, how they're supporting. Down moves are being supported by support, quote unquote. Here's a low. I kind of like this one, but right now I'm hesitant. Here's a low that took out this low that created new highs. Here's a swing low. I could enter off this. There's a bullish order block right here. I could enter it now, but attacking these highs. I kind of want it to dig just a bit lower. Kind of want it to take these lows for me to go long. here and then attack the highs. It looks like it's just going straight up attack it. Yeah. Yes, what's it doing? It's wobbling to and from before 9 o'clock. Excuse me, I'm a little sick. Here's a low. New high. Took out this one high. I don't like the entries here. It could work, but it's not my type. Here's a fair value gap. Low, no. Yeah, I mean, it would have worked, but not me. This low, being taken by this low. I mean, it would be, honestly, for me, it'll be harder for me to enter off of this low or long. Because this low did take that low, everything is bullish. Not until I get better, not until I see it better. Because if I look at it now, yeah, I would think it would have been going lower right here and then go low. Got pretty close. By the way, I kind of like this movement right here. Hourly, will it dig into this fair value gap? It already made new highs. That's what I don't like about it. This hourly range, it can close, it can go right below this and then move higher, which means if I had entered on a lower time frame, I would have been knocked out. I would be knocked out if that happened. I'm just looking at possibilities. A minute though. I really like this order block right here. It already tapped into it once, twice. There's another one, another down candle being supported. I mean, this is pretty safe spot for me to enter long. It's a bit too late. Not too late. Now I'm iffy. Yeah, I could enter it off of that. But my stop loss would have been here. It would have been like a 2-to-1. Nah. Honestly, I should wait for the 9 o'clock news instead of rushing in. Like I said before when I first started, like a few minutes ago. I don't want to enter too early. But you'll see whether I make a mistake or not. Here's new high, new low. Still didn't violate it. Why I anchored this low to this one is because this beautiful black candle took out this low into the fair value gap. I created new highs. So this is a new structural point because it took out lows and made new highs. And it's not violated until it goes, price goes below it. So that's why I can continue going higher and higher basically. And I'm looking for the price goes to the 70 area. With my stops below here. Fifteen seconds just to see what it's doing. It's clearly bullish. I'm looking for. If I want it to be even conservative, my stop loss on the 15-minute would be here below this down black though. This is the bullish order block right here. But at 8:15, it opened here, dug into that order block already, and would move higher. But ideally, it would have been this nice entry to go long. So 1.7, not the best, you know, not the best risk to reward, but it's high probability. Now you're gonna see me in a very emotional decision part. Do I go long here to take out these lows to go higher? Or do I tell myself I need to wait until 9 o'clock after the news before it releases in order for me to go buy? It already got up here and dug up these highs, and then there's like a bit of a shift in market structure. Do I accept that it's gonna go higher here? Do I chase this? Do I enter long on that 7 and then 0.7 and then I go long? I'm just gonna let it go. If it goes up, it's because, well, I mean, the strategy worked. But then I'm gonna not go because of the 9 o'clock news that's happening in 20 minutes that I do not want to. Yeah, well, yeah, see, this is the iffy part. Do I enter long now? The less reason why I'm not so as comfortable is because this swing already took out this high, but I know based on the DXY it's definitely gonna go lower. It's definitely, but yeah, it's going lower. Here's this, ooh, I like this one. Look at this, equal lows. Is it gonna dig into it? Honestly, if it digs lower, you know, if I enter before price, another scenario is that it does move higher before the move and then shoots up way higher. Here's what I'm gonna do. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES is didn't break out to new highs with displacement. Slowly going lower, but still bullish. Pound dollar, yeah. No, yeah, equal those. Just gonna wait for it to dig into it. This is very tempting. We want so long. I'm gonna just draw a box real quick. Oh yeah, there you go. 15-minute low. These lows are taking, shows the market structure, bullish. Yeah, well, it went. Look at that. Did not enter because I wasn't as comfortable. But I'm gonna make a note, maybe I should have been more aggressive. No, I mean, yeah. You see why trading is hard, more difficult. But no trade is a winning trade. I could enter off of this low. Bullish order block right here. This low is back at this lower here. Go ahead and yeah, I don't see what would be the price to oh yeah, doesn't do that. I'm gonna enter off. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a very ugly entry. So that kind of confirms on a lower time frame, 15 seconds, that it's headed higher. I got a very ugly exit. I mean entry. 180. You know, do I regret it? No. It happens. EXY is just so likely to go lower. How much more lower? Very much lower. Is it gonna blast off? Most likely. So next target. And I'm just gonna use the projection fib. 1 to 1.4, you know, is to go higher. 1.55, you know, a little round number, 500. Oh, yeah, 1.5, negative 1.5 is just around the 500 number. Guess I can target that. Oh, wait, on the dailies. We could attack to 6,000 to be honest. Get to the head of yourself now. Low hanging fruit. 2,000. Yeah, let's get it 2 to 1. Yeah, I'm just gonna try for this. Just go for the 2 to 1. So I'm still trying to pass my FCMO verification. Here is my entry. Goal is to make 2,000. Yeah, I'm just gonna hide the account number, I guess. I don't know. It don't matter. Yeah. So it's at 199,800. The goal is to make 210,000. I did enter long where I only entered 0.5%, so risking 1,000. Looks like price is moving up pretty aggressively. Yeah. And my target was at the 500. That's ugly, but there it is. This here. Do I want to raise my stop loss? No. Let it run. This is likely a runner because DXY is just so heavy to the downside. It just look at that. Yes, same story, bullish. Gonna run, lows taken. Get the market structure. How aggressive do I want to be? Look at that, lows taken right here. New highs. Bullish order block. Tackling these highs. Narrative, lows taken, new highs are taken. Structure, bullish at all time frames. Bias, these highs to be taken right here. 4105. Yeah, I'm just looking at my EU trade. I actually entered all of this. I was looking at the 15-minute time frame. I saw it dug into this. I actually want to enter here, but you know, this is 15 seconds, so it takes a minute. Let's here, draw down a little bit. Stop loss down here. Ideally, my entry, you know, we were just talking about it. We can go back in time and be talking about it. But damn. So the equal lows, I was tempted to see this candle dig into it and then for me to consider again. But I guess when I saw this down candle being violated up, So this is a bearish order block, kind of like a buy stop. I could have entered off of this green candle when it moved higher, breaking this high. That would have been like a more of a confirmation. So risk management is the next question. 10 minutes into the trade, do I risk being whipsawed during the news? Take me out? Right now it's just very bullish. One minute, 5 minute, well, 5 minute border block right here. Should not, it's a higher time frame. Yeah. Minute order block should not be violated there. Hourly, damn, okay. I'm not even up 1-to-1. Not even 1-to-1. But if I had entered here, those are famous last words for traders. If only I had entered down here, that'd have been 60. That'd have been, oh man, it would have been about near 4.5-to-1 right here. And exit 0.5. But I'm just seeing this DXY is just so heavy, and I have very high confidence that it took forever to finally, only because of the FTMO. Only yesterday when I realized, okay, now it's gonna tickle this. I'm gonna look at DXY actually. I'm gonna see that once it actually reaches there, then I'm gonna consider exiting. It's not a favorable to reward, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, look at that. It really, yeah, this black candle went above this high. Could have entered a buy stop here on this breakout of this black candle. Stops below here, hitting this high. I could enter off here. You know, I should. 5, 10.
Order filled.
Right. I'm also doing the Apex challenge. 15. I need another 5.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, that's 500 risk right here. $500 risk. Terrible. Well, you know, it's a very safe. Very safe. Okay. So, well, today's green candle. The question is, should I hold until close? Today's a very likely to be a very green day. This is the first place to attack. Will it fill all the way? 41.38. And I'll just 41. That's a hello. Ooh. All right. If I'm going to target that high, look at that. Wouldn't that be nice? Stop loss here below this bullish order block. 15 minute, I could, yeah. Yeah. Is it gonna whipsaw me? Let's look at this 5 minute. I normally don't hold until the end of the day, but if I were to choose a day to hold a position towards the end of the day so I can get the most amount of profit, it would be today. I normally don't, but today would be the day only because it finally broke out. So much of this sideways reaccumulation. This green candle is likely to have another day on a Thursday. Today's Thursday, which means it could also be a continuation. Let me rephrase that. Thursday, I can see it continuing, except where it was like on Friday, it normally kind of peak out and then kind of reverse towards the end. So Thursday, if the day is a day that it would close on like a big green candle similar to this, today would be the day. The narrative is bullish, the structure is bullish, the bias is bullish. Now, am I getting into the round of prediction? I am trying to treading on that order. My only fear is this 9 o'clock news is just gonna whipsaw me, shoot, take out my stop loss, and then move higher. That would suck. You're a dollar. Just out of curiosity. I'm gonna raise my I should trail on 15. Yeah, I'm gonna trail on 15. I'll trail on 15. Bullish order block, bullish order block. Wait till it close. It shouldn't really dig into. Oh, yeah. Let's do 30 minutes. No. Yeah. Stop loss still below this black candle. All right. 9 o'clock news. Let's see what'll happen. Is it gonna whipsaw me in? ISM manufacturing PMI. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that is. I don't really care. I just care about what happens after. Price will do. My only fear that it could react below into this bullish order block right here and then move higher. Guess what? If it does that, it takes me out. Oh, the name of the game. I know. That DXY is inching closer. Oh, today's December 1st. Will the monthly candle likely to expand up? Yeah, I would very much think so. Weekly candle? Oh yeah. Likely to expand up. Daily. Likely to expand up, but oh, did it Did it tap me out? No, it didn't. Look at that. You're gonna tap me out now. Did they do it?
Stop filled.
Fucker. It's on the ES. Damn. Who's getting me emotional? What's it gonna do? Hourly. Order block. Stop loss. I have no idea where to put my stop loss. I can go below these. There's a fair value gap actually. This is the apex. This is not on the other one. 500. That's 1% of my risk. So I'm going to reduce my next trade by half. So it'll be 0.25. All right, I'm gonna lock it, hide it. You still looking good. Put an alert here. Damn. What is this thing? Institute of Supply Management. I don't know what that is. Anyways. Actually happened to me yesterday. Damn. 10 pips up. Lows taken. Oh, baby. Yeah. Now, is this the bullish move we're waiting for? Here's low. Oh, hey, here's a low. Right in the area. Why did I anchor to this low? Because this low took out some sell side liquidity, made new highs. Where I want to be aggressive and enter off. Oh, wait just a little bit. Wait a little bit. Your hourly candle. Oh, it dug into that fair value gap. $92. All right, could it dig into this one? 70, 85. I'm gonna be aggressive. 85, 15, 7.
Order filled.
85, yep. Seven. I'm not gonna US 500. Yeah, I'm just gonna very small 1/4%. Oh, this is interesting. 4 hours. I didn't see this. 4 hour order block. 41.24. That is very high. Went long again. I had here 80. Where's my stop loss? 84, 85, 85. 3.349. Or wait, just to be sure. Alright, we're all the way up here. 7. Yeah, I'm on the right risk. Here's this chart. Why did I enter it off for that? Now this is interesting. Hourly does not have a fair value gap here. Hourly does have a fair value gap down here. This is telling me it could dig into that. Like that. Why did it have that? Well, this black candle could make people think, oh, yeah. I'm gonna reduce my risk. Oh, damn, yeah, it's definitely gonna lower now. Goodbye, 2 in a row. Lock off this. On the bright side, EU is going up. Oh, there it is.
Stop filled.
Next trade, 1/4 of that. So $125 instead of 500. And then so I can document that later. Is it digging into this for me? Just fine. Put 5 units on the apex.
Order submitted.
The buy limit 4083. Also 0.25.
Order filled.
That's weird. E-mini. It's different from ES. I don't like that. Damn. All right. Well. That's gonna tag me out too.
Stop filled.
Alright. Well, there you have it. 3 trades. 3 losses. And that one's it for me. Yeah, that sounds way too aggressive. Yeah, it's just gonna keep going lower. I'll let it take me out. Oh, looks like today is a not profitable day. Wow. We'll get them next time. Wow, it was looking really bullish today. But today I was wrong. It is what it is. I'm just gonna get out of this one. 4% loss as well. Today I'm down 3/4 of 1%. Wow. Definitely hits harder knowing that you lost 3 trades. Technically 4. But when your normal risk is 1%, but then you manage your risk by taking less risk the next losing trade, I'm only down 3/4 of 1%. Versus if I had risk normally 1% each 3 trades, I would have been down 3%, which would have hurt me more. Looking at a number. Would you rather have negative 6,000 or negative 1,500? And it said negative. I like it. I like it. I like the risk management. It's okay. This is very bounce backable. In Apex, yeah. 5,000. Yeah, was a lot of losing trades, but I'm only down 1,000. Starting at 1,150,000, I'm only down 1,000, which is it's about 3/4 of 1% as well. Because 1% is 1,500, down 1,000. So it's 3/4 of 1%. Their stop loss, their drawdown is only $5,000 though, which is only like 3.3%. So this is a lot worse in terms of how close I am to the 5,000 mark that they allow. So I'm down 1,000. The max loss is 5,000. And I basically shot all my ammunition this morning. It looks pretty good. It looked pretty good going long. But alas, as day in the life of a trader, it happens. So, is my analysis correct or was it wrong? Was I emotional? Let's go back. I went long here. Okay. First and foremost, what could I have done better? I could have entered long here. Stop loss below here. Target profit 0.5. It would have been a 4-1. So, in a position where I should have gotten +4 risk to reward versus what I had today, which is negative 0.5. A +4 would be way better, obviously. And I was hesitant on going long because I wanted this swing low to be taken. I should have been aggressive. Well, I should have been more assertive, more confident to take that 0.7 down candle. Secondly, I was also hesitant on the news coming out at 9. So if I wanted, let's say, a confirmation, instead of having a buy limit here, what if I had a confirmation of a buy stop here? It would have been a 1 to 1.8 risk to reward ratio, which would still been good. The last I was up here, I was actually up 0.89. 1 point. Third thing, should I have taken partials? I should have taken partials. I did not take partials because I did state that if all it is to hold long and hold till the end of the day, it would have been day. That influenced me to stick to my holding until end of the day. I got that from Larry Williams, but today was not the day. I was wrong. All happened. Bright side, I risk very little because I was on a lose. When I lose my trade, I half that percent, half my risk on that trade, and if I lose again after that, then I half that, and that's the most minimal amount that I would risk. I go long. I'm not trading. I can go short here. Market structure, fair value gap here. So that was trade 1. I was up 0.89. Should have taken partials, maybe break even. That would have been a better ideal scenario. Digging into this fair value gap. There's a mitigation block. Screen candle. Famous support becomes resistance sort of thing. Not really. Yeah, I mean, sure. 1, 2, 3 drives in. It already is in the top premium. If price was here, that would have been much easier to target. But look at that. Didn't I say something? A 1 hour fair value gap created, digs into it and goes into it. And goes higher. Nah, I'm not gonna enter long here. Oh, look at that. I'm bearish order block. Then we'll trade. Right. Fair value gap. Bearish order block. Just as easy as fake money. I'm not gonna dig into all this. High premium. Fake money. Come on, let's go. So that was the EU trade. So what should I do next time? I should be more confident with my 0.7 entries. And take partials at premium areas when I'm going long. So that's my lesson for EU. ES. All right, I took a lot of trades on that one. 2 trades. Long here, long here. All right, well, how long of this fair value gap right here? The likelihood that it will attack these high was very high when it was shaking below. And guess what? I was right. This is an example of you being right and still losing money. Because indeed, this news volatility picked it up into here. But didn't take partials. It was just too quick for me. And I was in a less of a ideal area to enter because it's just so close to here. It went as high as 7.5. It has, went to 1.1, basically 1-on-1. I really would have for 3-to-1 trades, 5-to-1 trades, but the entries today did not allow me that. Yes, it did. They did allow me that. I didn't trade it. I didn't take it. So that's on me. One second. EU, look at that. I'm down. But guess what? Paper money. This is my emotional side wanting to get into a trade. And so I was suppressing that. We're just taking big money. But I don't care. This is not part of the challenge. Challenge trade, so it don't matter. Would I enter short? See if I saw this and enter short on the challenge. It would I would break my emotional rules. Okay, so what could I have done better? Partial upon premium, stop loss to break even, but the news was too fast. Could have been a loss either way. Next time. Next time. I should consider letting this go. What should I do next time based on my rules? Tough. I shouldn't be. Should trade it all. Tough questions. Tough questions. I don't know. What should I have done better? I shouldn't have maybe answered it wrong. I have entered it all. Should not have entered at all, which somewhat goes against what I previously said on my first trade, which was to be more confident, more assertive, more aggressive on my trade. There's that. If you're paying attention to this and not this, there's a problem. Paying attention to your own trades. Alright, so next time, stop loss at premium, stop loss to break even when it reaches target. Yeah. Next trade. They went long here, yeah. Midnight open, lows taken. You can argue bearishly that, you know, highs were taken, then there's a shift in market structure. I was just looking at this overall. Yeah. Look at that. Bearish fair value gap. Short. Nice. Did not occur to me. That would have been a shorting opportunity right there. But it would go against my daily narrative, daily structure, and daily bias. But I should not have taken that short. Even though it is nice and it did work, but anyway, that's also, yeah, it's a tough day today. But even though today was tough, I still Lost very little, 3/4 of 1%. Get 4 trades. I'm just not gonna attack that loan. Give me some fake money. Yeah, come on, baby. Playing trick. Make people think it's gonna go up. It is not. It's gonna do that. It's gonna go just a little bit lower because it's gonna pop lower. 82. Yeah. Alright, I don't know. So I went long here. It was clearly bearish. I went long here. It was clearly bearish. The reality of trading. What happens? Next time, come with an open head, and yeah. Otherwise, I did good with my risk management. Positives. What are the good things? Good language. I reduced my risk. And I lost very little compared to the overall drawdown rules. There you have it. I survived another day. That was a lot of losing streaks. It was a lot of losses. But I survived to fight another day. That's all that matters. So this is the new account balance. 9824. That only lost a negative. So 1% is 2,000. This is only 3/4 of 1%. Am I gonna trade again? No. Today? Unlikely, no. I'm done. Have fired all my bullets. That'd be nice. All right. Well, I guess that's the only, yeah. I mean, I could stay longer to see what price will do. Oh man, look at that. Look how close. Man. Yeah. I say can shift the market structure is an hourly bearish, but it could dig into this favorite graphical low higher. It's still bullish. Still bullish. 1 minute, 1 hour shift in the market structure though. Right? It happens. So I'm gonna call it an early day. What's this? And I will not do anything else. So hope you learned something. As I will, as I do every day. And when I get better, as I get better, I will be a monster. Can't wait. Cannot wait. Well, I can wait, but you know. All right, that's it. You saw all my losses. You saw my thought process. You saw all my trades. You saw what I could have done better. You saw the transparency. You saw what I'm doing with my trading account. My challenges, and that's transparency. All right. We'll see you next time. See you tomorrow. Until next time, bye-bye.